Hey there, sports fans. Scott Travis coming at you in the Sports Den on a Scott Travis Sports News Game 5 Bruins vs. Canadiens preview. And, well, I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. Bruins went into Montreal in Game 4, played an awesome road game. It was an excellent hockey game. Montreal is not to be overlooked. They're decent. But the Bruins went in there and just took control. Tuukka Rask answered my challenges. He made the saves he needed to do. We don't need him to steal the game. We just need him to make the saves he needs to do. So, Bruins come back to the Garden. Game 4 in Montreal. That was beautiful. Matt Fraser up from Providence gets a game winner in overtime. That was just awesome. Because the Canadiens, I love that. He didn't score at all. So Tuukka Rask answered the challenges of that his record versus the Habs wasn't that good, and the whole team did. But before we get into it, I just want to say tonight's sponsor is the band Crush. They're playing down at the All-American Bar and Grill down on Route 1 Post Road in Rhode Island, down in North Kingston. Go down and check them out if you like alternative rock and old classic rock. I'm sure if you yell up to the stage, they'll give you what you want, but anyway, that's what's going on. That's who's the sponsor for today. And I want to welcome small businesses that are kicking in and new sports reporters that are aspiring to... this is a great place on Scott Travis Sports News to post your things and get yourself established with a resume. But anyway, send me direct messages if you want to get involved in that, especially your local businesses if you want to be a sponsor. This is going out now to thousands of people. Everything is picked up. I think the Bruins-Canadiens series is certainly a beneficial thing for me to grow the Scott Travis Sports News brand because the Canadian fans, let's just say, I called you out in the last video and none of you had the sack. None of you, not one, had the sack to come back and give me any crap for everything I said. And I'm going to tell you right now, because I'm trying to get you out of your hiding places because you know I'm right and you know you don't know anything about hockey. But I'm trying to get you out of your hiding spots. So come on back. Bruins are going to win tonight. It's at the Garden. They're going to take care of business. And the best thing that we can have, folks, on the way to a Stanley Cup victory, it's just not going to be the same. It's never the same unless you knock Montreal out in the way. But the best thing will be after Game 6 on Monday night when the hands shake and the Canadiens are done. Because you know what? We hate them. We hate their fans. They're ballsless. They have no character whatsoever. They called me out. How about that? They called me out. And then they just hid after Game 4. Wow. You guys are... You know what? I try to keep it a clean family show, but you guys are something else. You're entertaining. You're idiots. And I love having the fact that you actually challenge anything that I say. But the bottom line is this series is over. The Bruins are going to come out, and for the first time in this series, we're going to play Bruins hockey. We played a nice road game in Montreal because we still didn't trust the officiating. But now we're back at the Garden. Now, of course, since it's the Canadiens that we're playing, we're still going to get the wrong end of the calls because it's still the Canadiens. They're going to dive. They're going to flop. You know what I mean. But I lost all respect for you Canadiens once you didn't respond. I called you out, and then you all disappeared after Game 4. Wow, you guys are men. Maybe you're under 21. Maybe you're part of that generation where you've never seen a championship. Maybe you don't have any T-shirts that are 21 years old that are still okay to wear. Maybe they disintegrated because it's been 21 years. But you know what? I'm still looking for the conversation because I'd love to tell you everything I need to know about hockey. I'll straighten you guys out, too. Because you guys think that your little Smurf team is going to win the Cup. You're never, ever, ever going to beat the Bruins. You're never going to get to the finals. I mean, Pittsburgh, as candy-ass as they are, they'll eat you alive. The only team you match up with because you're wusses and you dive and you play all the crap bullshit that you do is the Bruins. But tonight, I think we're going to just slap you in the friggin' head. We're going to say, you know what? You suck. We're the best team in the NHL, and we're going to win. Now, let's get back to the hockey, because I love calling you Canadian fans out. I could do that all night, because you're pathetic, and nobody has the balls to even respond when I challenge you. So, you really, I guess you tell the whole world exactly what kind of fans you are. But anyway, Tuukka Rask, way to answer the challenge I threw out there. You don't have to steal the game. You just have to make the saves you need to make. Nice win. Nice shutout. Nice shutout in Montreal in a game where they could have taken over the series. Nice shutout. I like that. You earn my respect, Tuukka, but you back it up. You come back. You take care of business tonight. You take care of business Monday. And we move on to play the Penguins in the Eastern Conference Finals. And then we just have our way with them like we did last year. I mean, that's going to be a joke. But this Canadian team, give me a break. You are nowhere near the quality of the Boston Bruins. So tonight we're going to show you, because we still really haven't showed up. We didn't show up for the first 3 games. And then game 4, we were a little concerned because we didn't know how the officiating was going to go. But guess what? We still won. We brought a kid up from Providence, and he scored, and he beat you in the first NHL Stanley Cup playoff game. How does that roll around in your tongue? You know what? As long as you want Michel Therrien to coach your team, you're never going to win anything. Keep him. I hope you sign him to a long-term deal because he sucks as a head coach. Just like Danny Bielema in Pittsburgh. But we'll worry about that in the next round because I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. But anyway, Bruins, let's impose your will. Who gives a shit what the officiating does? Kill the penalties. Win the game. Win the one-on-one battles. Take care of business. I mean, seriously, this is the Montreal Canadiens. This isn't the Chicago Blackhawks or the LA Kings like a real team. This is the Montreal Canadiens, whose fan base actually thinks they can win the Stanley Cup. Wow, I find that amazing. That's just, talk about delusional. I mean, give me a break. The Montreal Canadiens, do you really think you're going to win the Stanley Cup? Because nobody else does. Oh, that's right. You're delusional Canadian fans. Anyway, that's all I got to say. Matt Frazier, nice job, your first game. Canadians, bye-bye. You're out of the way. We take care of business. For the first time in the series, we actually show up and kick your ass. Because we haven't done it yet. But tonight, we're going to, I have a feeling we're going to kick your ass. And then that's it. And then we get to have the handshake in front of your home crowd. There isn't really anything better than that as a Bruins fan that has absolutely no respect for Montreal or anything that you stand for. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Anyway, folks, if you agree, disagree, I don't care. If you're a Canadian fan with a set of balls, I'd love to hear from you. My main page is Scott Travis Sports News on Facebook. I'm on Twitter at Scott Travis SN. But I have a feeling I'm not going to hear a peep out of any of you unless you happen to steal a game. Woo. You have no chance of winning the Stanley Cup. None. Okay? 0 chance. I hate to break that to you, but you will not win the Stanley Cup. That's all I got to say. Thanks for watching. And if you hate the Canadians as much as I do, follow this thread because they are a bunch of idiots. The ones that are stupid enough to get on social media and chat about their team that hasn't won anything in 21 years. 24 titles that happened how many generations ago? 2, 3, 4? Give me a friggin' break. Thanks for watching. I'm Scott Travis. I know I'll see you before Game 6 in Montreal. Take care, Bruins. Just do what you do. Kick their ass.